This is how to deposit money from your bank account to your Bybit account. We're going to be using the P2P trading function, and how to get to P2P trading function from your home page on Bybit app is when you log into your app, you should see P2P among the first list of icons above. But if it's not among the list, then you can click on more to your right, then wait for it to load, and you can then search for P2P trading and you tap on it. So this is the first method of how to get to P2P page. Now let me show you the second method, then we'll proceed. The second method is by going through your assets. So when you get to your assets, you click on deposit. Then from the list of options, you select P2P trading. This will enable you to transfer money from your bank account to Bybit account. So now when you're on this page, you need to do a few things. One of the first thing you need to pay attention to is that this page should be on the buy, not the sell, because we are actually buying from traders who are advertising on the P2P page so that we can transfer our money to their own bank account, then they credit us with any of the cryptos we want to buy. So we could actually buy USDT, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, any of those tokens. All right. So make sure you toggle between to ensure that you're on the buy page. Now, when you're on the buy page, the next thing you want to do is to click on filter. Okay. So when the filter comes up, you want to click on this eligible ads only. Then you can also click on verified sellers or advertisers. Okay, so once that's done, you confirm and you close this page. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the amount, and then you type the amount you want to buy. Okay, let's say we want to buy 100,000 naira worth of USDT. So you type in 100,000 and you click on confirm. You wait for it to load. Make sure you are also on the naira currency. So you tap on this and ensure that you're on the naira currency. If you're not on it, select it from the list. Then now you've applied your filters, right? You've also typed the amount you want to buy or the amount you want to invest into cryptocurrency using Bybit P2P platform. What you want to do next is to go through this list. When you're going through this list, you want to go through the successful orders and their success rates from each of these advertisers. Okay. So the first person on our list here is Chi Dollar, and he's verified. So if you look towards the right where it says top picks for new users, you see that he has completed 2,083 orders with a 99% completion rate. Okay, so that's a very, very good record, and his rate is 1,577.80 per USDT. Okay, so you can also scroll down to see which other advertisers or sellers you can actually trade with. But what we want to do here is we want to go through by clicking on this person, any of the advertisers you want, then you read through their terms of service. Another thing you can do is to click on the person's username here, then you click on the review pane so that you can see how many good reviews the person have gotten and how many bad reviews the person have gotten as well. So you can actually compare this, then you make your decision on trading. But why we chose those filters in the beginning is to ensure that we reduce our risk of losing our funds. Okay, so that will help us a lot, to save us a lot of stress as well, instead of going through it manually and selecting people and gambling. Okay, so these are like trusted sellers that will not give you a headache or even make you lose some funds. All right, so if you scroll down, you see this seller called Fells. He has completed 5,071 orders with 96% completion rate, which is a very good one as well. So let's click on him and then we'll go through his terms of adverts as well. So you see, he said, number 1, drop your phone number. Number 2, no third party payment. So what this seller is saying, if you're going to transact with him, you're going to be sending from a bank account that has your name, your complete name, not a different person, not using a POS transaction or using any of those online payment gateways like Paystack and co. Okay, so you're going to be using your bank account with your full bank name so that the whole verification process will be seamless and without problems. Now, Once you've gone through all this and you're able to verify that yes, this is the trader you want to use, you're going to type in the amount you want to invest here. Okay, so you now click on buy. So this amount is going to give you 63.3714 USDT. So once you get to this page, all right, what you're going to be looking for is the pay button down below. Just go through everything, then you see the timer running at the top there telling you that this trade must be completed within 15 minutes. So it's actually now 14 minutes and 34 seconds. So if you just skim and scan through this page and confirm that everything is right, you now click on pay now. So when you go to this pay now page, you now get where to send the money to. So you can use the bank option displayed on the screen. So at this point, you go to your bank app, copy the bank account number from this page. Now send the money to the account number here. Make sure the name of this account is the same as what you see displayed on this screen. Now, when making payment, you know, on your bank app, they'll show you transaction details. Please don't use any crypto related word. Don't say you're buying USDT. Don't say you're buying BTC. Don't say P2P. Just use any other random transaction statement that is not crypto related. I'm saying this because it will protect you and the seller from any strike from the authorities. Okay, so if you don't want to get the seller's account number or your own account number locked, because it was not too long ago that Nigerians have been allowed to carry out crypto transactions online. So if you don't want to get your account locked down, then don't include any crypto related terms. Okay, so if you're good and you have made payment, you click on this payment completed, and when you send that money from your bank account, please save your transaction receipt, because you're going to be uploading it on the next page. So once you're done with that, okay, you now upload it and click on payment complete. Now the seller will on its own end or on her own end verify this payment and then release your funds. Okay, so once your fund is released, you go to your assets here, then you go to this transfer place. So usually when you do a successful P2P transaction, especially when you buy a USDT, your money is going to be in the funding account. Okay, so for you to be able to use it on either spot trading or P2P trading or any of those other derivatives trading account on your Bybit, you're going to be transferring it. And how do you do that? First, you go to this transfer page just like I just showed you. Then you click on the coins and select the coin you actually bought. So if you bought USDT, you're going to be clicking on USDT here. Then you type the amount you bought. Remember, it was 63.3 something that we bought then. But if you can't remember the actual figure, you can click on max. Then once you're good with it and you're okay with the transaction details, you now click on confirm. Then once that transaction is done, the next place you want to go to is your assets, right? Then you click to see whether the money has been sent to your unified trading account from your funding account. So once that is done, you can now go to wherever you want to trade by clicking on this trade, then change from either features to spot or options trading and continue with your trading. So that's basically how to deposit money to your Bybit account from your bank account. So if you've learned anything from this video, please hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends, and let's see you in the next video.